Whatever nominations that have been done, you cannot tell me that within this ODM party, where we also have Orange Women Democrats, that there's no woman who has been nominated in that list. In any case, I am not for even the nominations of that list. For me, I still believe that we must have a national dialogue and conversation where we incorporate everything, even what the GNCs have said, so that we can be able to clear out all the injustices and the things that are being talked about, including the kids, our kids who have been dying. That is my position, but I would say that even if they've done the nomination, the president has got a prerogative to do it through the and give those nominations. However, I still state that going forward, we must still have that dialogue and that conversation. As far as I'm concerned, by yesterday, Raila Amolo Odinga had clearly told us that, and we saw it in the news, that we have to go into dialogue so that we can have a national conversation on the issues that are really affecting us as Kenyans. As we are speaking, those issues have not been addressed. And as far as I'm concerned, even when you look at it, and I will say it here now and clearly.
I shared with the county representative, which is going to
space for Mama. I want good
be leaders. We know the women can look. The same will be done in Kisumu West, Kisumu Central.
You're welcome, Jacqueline, India.
I'm here in whichever position is a product.
Serve as a corporate official. I'm in charge of all colleges within you. A couple of hours ago, but you've waited patiently.
I've talked about you guys. I know you sacrifice, you go out there. Wacha niongee Kiswahili, nikiwashukuru sana.
Kuzungumza na nyinyi, atamkaribisha mama, kisha baadaye